With many lessons learned from 2020, we march towards a hopeful 2021. As we come to the end of 2020, let's have a glance of the past 364 days of utmost challenges, lost opportunities, deferred hopes for the entire humankind. As we entered the new year of 2020, the coronavirus had started its journey from Wuhan in China. And it was nothing but the virus and its unprecedented effects that reflected all through the year. Year 2020 will be remembered for decades for its specialities centered around a small virus called coronavirus. The year that is getting over is a lost year for all around the globe by all means. Apart from the unprecedented sufferings on account of lockdowns and travel restrictions, an enormous loss of human lives adds to the miseries of 2020. Many had lost their direction in the pandemic, diverted from their routines, lost their way in their career paths and whatnot. The pandemic-stricken year has forced countless celebrations, events and holiday gatherings get abandoned or go virtual. No other year is like 2020 for anyone living on the planet today. The 1918-19 influenza pandemic was the one which made life disastrous earlier. But there are no survivors with the real memories of that lost year in the past century. The year 2020 taught all the people around the globe a few important lessons. It changed the traditions of life and death. It changed the equations of the rich and the poor. It toppled the hopes and opportunities of millions. It is said that time is a teacher and time will teach us. But 2020 took everything by itself in just 1 year. Just a year made things go upside down for the entire humanity. We have heard about the Great Depression of the past century from our forefathers. Now, we will tell our future generations about the great pandemic COVID-19. The pandemic has seen people pressing their patience button not once but several times. No matter what happens, people wait for weeks and months together to get over the most tiring state of affairs that lasted for about 6 months. They locked themselves inside their four walls without even able to move out. As things went off the tracks, we started learning new practices and living with those new norms. The pandemic created a new term called the new normal. This applied to celebrations like marriages, traditions like funerals, festivities and whatnot. All were wrapped in and kept aside. We started perfecting with this new normal. The long hours of boredom within our homes made things change positively and alternatively. People were attracted to creativity like arts and music. Some made inroads in home gardening, pets and cooking. Apart from students undergoing online classes, sessions online made a strong presence in workouts, meditation, webinars and the like. Social media platforms and video conferencing gained more popularity during the pandemic year. People also started sharing and caring more than what they did during their peak and busy days. The pandemic also inculcated self-care and self-discipline in most of the people. Now it's time for hope. However, the hard times have become a catalyst for everyone to be better human beings. Now, any small happiness would work wonders. A more content behavior and new ways of life would become the new normal for most of the people. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.